Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I'm an independent knitwear designer who likes to make knittertaining videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. Make sure to check in the description below where you will find links to all of my social media outlets, including where you can get my patterns to knit up for yourself, the Watch Barbara Knit Facebook group where we'd love to have you come and join, and how to support me on Patreon. Today, I'm very excited. I'm trying, we're gonna experiment a little bit to resurrect one of my very favorite video series that I started out this YouTube channel making, and it is called Secret Shopper. Now, the idea behind Secret Shopper is that I wanted to open up fun stuff and show y'all all the kind of fun and interesting products that are to be had for knitting and the fiber community. But I didn't want to be asking people for free stuff, because it's just not what I wanted to do, because I know there's a lot of really small independent business people out there trying to make it work in this industry, and I know how hard it is, and I don't want to be like, hey, send me free stuff. I want to patronize their business, and one of the reasons I started this YouTube channel is because I wanted to lift those people up and do what I could do to help them, succeed. So the idea, and it was Heather Zapetti who came up with the idea, was to do Secret Shopper. And what it is I have another knitter or member of the fiber community do the shopping for me, and then they send me the package or packages, and I open them up on camera, and it's a total surprise. I have no idea what is in these packages. All I know is that I gave the shopper a budget that they're supposed to stick in the general vicinity of, and I never really revealed that budget previously, but I thought I'd mention it now because in this new I'm rebooting the series. We're gonna go. My budget's $30. So everything that I got here, if you add it all together, should be in the realm of $30. I mean, I'm not going to quibble over a buck over or under. And it was sent to me, and I am so excited. I will put a link, one of those little pop down little jobbies that comes down over here, to the previous playlist I will be continuing adding to, but you can take a look at it so you can see my previous Secret Shoppers, see where this whole thing started from. I had gotten up to 20, so I am going ahead and numbering this Secret Shopper 21. And my shopper, I decided to start this reboot of the series with my designer colleagues, designers that I know that some of them I've never met in person, but I'm in various forums, professional forums with them, and I talk with them, and I asked if they wanted to help me because frankly, one of the reasons the original one I had to stop doing it is simply the logistics of coordinating, making sure focus, buddy. Making sure the packages get here in time for me to record one of these each month. My first volunteer shopper, Secret Shopper, is Lindsay of Knit Eco Chic. I'm going to put information and links to her. She is a really fun designer who only designs in non-animal, non-wool fibers because I believe she's allergic to animal fibers, which is really cool. And since the fibers behave differently, if you have that same allergy or if you just like working with silks and cottons and things like that, you should definitely check out her stuff because she designs specifically for those kinds of things. But okay, that was a lot of talking. Packages. So I have my handy dandy scissors here, and we are going to, so this one came by airmail, part of Vaughn, and there's a customs declaration on it, so I'm really excited to find out what is in here. So let's see. I've got to be super careful opening these up because I really, sometimes there's fiber in here, and I don't want to cut anything important. So I'm gonna get a little hole here. And I'm gonna, there we go. half the time, if you go back and watch some of these old ones, half the time the fun is me trying to get these packages open. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, there's lots of little things in here. Oh my goodness. Look, I love lots of little things. So this is an Etsy package. So I will definitely be able to put the link in the description below. And we've got all kinds of little stuff. Okay. Right off the bat, stitch markers. You can never, ever, ever have enough stitch markers. I am a firm believer in that. Let's see what we have here. We have 2 beautiful stitch markers. Got to put the hand behind to get the focus in the focusy. A little one and a big one. Hey, are you going to stop jiggling? Are you going to stop jiggling for us? There we go. Okay, these are beautiful. This one is purple and green with little, and it's so pretty. Okay, those are gorgeous. Yes. I'm going to put it back in their tiny, tiny, tiny bag because I don't want to lose them. And let's see, do I have, so the name of this is Yarn and Craft. Okay, so this, and then what else have we got here? Oh, here we go. Got a card. I will put all this information below. That is, so these are stitch markers. Let's see here. Oh, I hate to be ripping this pretty paper. It's not going to rip. This tape, this is some serious tape action. There's more tape. Oh my goodness, this stuff, nobody wanted me to get into this. Oh, wow. Oh, so these, I think these were just bonus ones. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Look, purple is like one of my favorite colors, and those are absolutely beautiful. So this says it fits up to a 6mm needle. Let me take it out of the plastic. There we go. Move my face so it focuses. There we go. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. So it's got a marbled bead on the bottom and then a tinier bead and then another tiny bead. Excellent. Okay, now we know this has 2 pieces of tape on it. So we're going to get that piece of tape and this piece of tape like I'm a pro. Let's see what these look like. Ooh, these are chunkier. This one fits up to a 7mm needle. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful those are. Are you going to focus for me? There we go. Wow. Those are gorgeous. You can really see the marbling on this one. Okay, I'm going to hold them both up so that it quits trying to focus on my face. So absolutely beautiful. And I think that these little bags, these beautiful little bags that were sent are so I can, once I take them off the card, they will go in the pretty, pretty bags. So bags for my stitch markers. I'm so excited. I love Secret Shopper. And then I got my bonus ones. So beautiful, beautiful stitch markers. Good job, Lindsay. From Yarn and Craft. It's in the United Kingdom, I believe. And I think so. I don't know. It's from someplace overseas. So I will put this information in below. And then this one is U.S. Postal Service. So excited. It's easier if you stick your tongue out. Okay. Oh, see, look, I see, I try to be, did you see how careful I was being? I cut a little bit of the tissue paper. I hope I didn't damage anything. Gold star. Okay, there's several things in here. I'm going to put this down. So the first one is more absolutely stunning stitch markers. And I love all kinds of stitch markers, but these are great because they have the, this has the flexi, I think they call it rat tail in the jewelry industry. And these are going to go on big needles, and I'm so excited. And they have dolphins. Super. Okay. I have messed them all up. Okay. I'm going to move them all to one side so we can try to see. There we go. See, they're dolphins with little crystals. So pretty. I'm so excited to use these. Now I gotta knit something chunky. I gotta knit something chunky so I can use these. So those are gorgeous. And this is from myneedlecrafts.com. Follow My Needlecrafts online. I'll put their information. You can't see it. I'm so excited. He's got bees. Oh, so this is one of those really cool needle holders. Do I have... Here we go. So the way this works, they're really cool, is you take your needles and see the snaps open, and you put your needles inside, and then it's somehow, not 100% sure how this works. I'll have to figure it out. But okay, you can't see what I'm doing. I gotta get back in the swing of this. So what you do is you can clip in the wires so that they don't come out. Here, I'm gonna tuck this guy in here. I'm sure there's better tutorials. I'm gonna look for tutorials on how to use my needle case. I'm sure they're on YouTube. But so your needles are in there, but your cable is out. And so you can have your yarn or your work here, but the needles are protected. And look at this happy bee. This bee is so happy. He's great. Oh, and it's really nice quality fabric. It's more of a canvasy type fabric, so it's really sturdy, and so nothing will poke through it. That is awesome. Oh, and it says, for the sailor, dolphins and honeybees. That is great. And I am a sailor, believe it or not. So these are snag-free stitch markers, beaded stitch markers, and a needle cozy. This also says it can hold DPNs in here. I don't use DPNs, so that's not going to happen. But it definitely is great for holding the circular. You can do that with it on the outside, or you can stick, I'm pretty sure I can get the whole cable down in there. I think that's why there's multiple different snaps on here, so that you can like either get everything in there or only some of them so they can hold out. See, look, oh, boink. I didn't do it right. That is not a flaw in the needle holder, but in me. So, I'm so excited. So, that is Secret Shopper 21, the beginning of a new season. I'm so excited. I got my awesome bee needle cozy and some absolutely gorgeous stitch markers. And really, stitch markers is a lot of what Secret Shopper is about, because I need more stitch markers in my life. They're so beautiful. Thank you so much, Lindsay, for helping me out and being my secret shopper to kick this back off. Here again, we have Yarn and Craft on Etsy and myneedlecrafts.com. I'll put all of their information in the description below. I hope y'all are as excited about this reboot as I am. Once I've worked through the people that I have pre-planned, who knows, some of us might be able to work together, and maybe you can shop for me. Please let me know in the description below how you feel about this. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, click that like button. And if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel and select notifications. Thank you so much.